Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. As promised, I'm going to be showing you how I apply my henna to my hair. Actually, this is my first time of using henna. So I've mixed it here and I let it sit for about 2 days, I think, because I wanted everything to hydrate very well. And I got this red rope particularly for this kind of things because I didn't want to be using white or bright colors. And I made sure to put on my hand gloves. I didn't want to have any pink fingers or colored fingers because of this application. I made sure to double it. So I doubled my hand gloves. And now let's give this a shot. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen. I was very worried. I didn't know if I should try this because some people said that henna dries their hair out, and I've been struggling with some kind of hair loss, right? And I'm trying to grow back my hair. I'm keeping them in twist like so, and now I was contemplating if I should take down my twists or not. And on second thought, I just felt, you know what? Let's apply the henna without taking out the twists. Principally, the goal of this henna is to cover the gray hair. Look at the consistency of this henna. Look at how it is. Not too thick, not too thin. So I put other things in my henna just because I didn't want it to dry out my hair. So I put some amla, a little amla, just little. My amla was really significantly little. I had purchased some indigo powder, but I didn't want to use it here because I wanted to see what the color um, will come out on my gray just by using only henna. So that was why I didn't put or add the indigo powder to the henna powder mix. So I just did only the henna mix, and I'm going to focus mainly on the front portion of my hair. I was wondering if I didn't make too much henna, but I told myself, you know what, it's my first time trying this and I can maybe maximize it. I see people talking a lot of good things about the use of henna. Some people said that it changed their hair completely from, scanty, weak hair to stronger hair. But there's always a downside to everything, right? Some people believe that it's kind of mimics a protein treatment. So you need to pay attention to re-moisturizing and deep conditioning your hair after henna use and make sure that you are really, really moisturizing your hair. It strengthens your hair, but I want to guess that maybe it's just like how you could put a cloth or something outside in winter, and if you malhandle it, it could just break just because it's so hard from the harshness or the cold winter. It becomes stiff. So I want to believe that maybe the hair becomes somewhat stiff if you use the henna too much and if you don't re-moisturize or deep condition your hair so that you get back your moisture level. So it's one thing to have strengthened hair, it's another thing to have very strong hair that is prone to breakage. And the purpose for this henna and treatment that you do on your hair will be defeated. In my own case, I'm not using henna not because I want to strengthen my hair or anything. Not that I have any strong hair, but the goal of my use of henna today is to somewhat darken my gray hair. They were becoming too many and too unruly. I just couldn't relate with this gray hair. It was just too many, too many. Yeah, it's true. I'm not old, okay? I'm not old. I'm getting to that age where you should start to expect, depending on your genes, you should start to expect some gray popping out here and there. But I expected maybe 5 strands or 10 strands, not this myriad big numbers of gray that I'm seeing in the front of my hair. And hey, guys, I'm even noticing a few strands of gray on my eyelashes. Can you believe that? Oh my God, I don't know what to do with them. I don't know what to eat that'll help me to stop having this gray hair continuously. I wish there is a magic portion out there, something that I maybe I'm deficient of something and I just need to go to the store, purchase it, eat it, cook it, or eat it raw, however, and that will help me to curb this gray that is taking over your friends and your sister's hair and body. Okay, I used to make fun of my husband that he's an old man. I used to like, tease him and say, "Hey, old man, and you're aging and all of that. Look at your gray hair." And I liked it. I didn't let him dye it. I was told him that it's nice, looks cute on him. But now here I am. Nemesis is catching up with me. It's coming to me to become my own turn. So this is how I did apply the whole henna. I did a good portion. I left a little tiny little bit because I felt that my hair was really saturated, and then I went ahead and covered it for a couple of hours. I think I did 6 hours. Yes, I think I did 6 hours. I got this Home Depot bag and I just used it. I didn't want to use my 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 shower cap, so I did this. And this color is very nice. This robe's color is very nice, so I'm not scared of getting stained. So let's wait and see what the result will be. Yeah, wow. Now here we are, guys. Look at this, look at this. Oh my god, do you notice anything? I noticed that it's kind of orangey. If I look well, it's kind of orange. Let's come close. Look, it went from white to light orange or light brown, something like that. And the back, my hair at the back is not so, I don't have too many greys at the back, maybe a few strands here and there. So I started with my castor oil because I wanted to re-moisturize my scalp. I applied my castor oil on the edges of my hair. First of all, very important for me. My edges are really doing better, guys. Trust me. I look at it and I'm like, yes, I think that my edges are doing much, much better than when I started all these treatments that I started this year. The coffee, the aloe vera faithful aloe vera use, and this is my oil mix. I'm going to be applying it to my scalp because I don't know, I just started feeling like the castor oil was a little heavy and maybe not going smoothly as I expected it to, but I had put some of it already, so I just wanted to top up the castor oil that I had with this oil mix. I have some avocado, definitely avocado in this oil mix, and then I have argan oil. I have jojoba oil. Yeah, and then I have essential oils in it. So it's my very nice portion. I use it on my hair. I use my daughter's hair. I'm trying to make my men, the men in the house, my husband and my son, to also use this hair oil. But they don't like, you know how men are, right? They don't like it. They're like, oh no, oh no. Especially my son is like, I'm not a woman. Why do I need to have oil on my hair? Yeah, it's funny. But sometimes when he can't comb his hair, especially when he don't want us to cut his hair, I have to use the oils and the spray to help me manage it. So this is my butter. This is my butter. Hair butter, Kemp's Natural Hair Butter. This butter is a lifesaver, guys. It's a lifesaver. And so I warm it up in my hands like this. And I don't manage my butter. I put as much as I can. I have some butter. I've been selling a couple of them, but some of them I think some portion of it I want to keep for myself in case I run out. But I don't think I would run out soon because I have a lot of shea butter in my um, little formulating corner. So I just take it, warm it in my between my palms like this, and then I apply it right on. But before I did that, I did this process. I'd actually added my homemade hair moisturizer. So I had my homemade leave-in conditioner to my hair. Sorry, I think I did that just before I came in front of the camera. I almost forgot to show you the after results. Then I remembered, oh, I promised my friends here that I was going to show them the results, and I didn't want it to be after a couple of days before I came to show you. I just wanted you to see it exactly how it happened that evening after I rinsed it off, and so you can see the result live as it's happening. So I'm going to go ahead and keep applying and make sure that you are not missing out on any part of your hair. So this is just me doing it quickly like so, and I think I'm going to take down these twists and retwist them hopefully by weekend. Yeah, I'm so happy with what my hair is doing now. It's true I have health challenges that caused me to have lots of hair loss. But I believe that my hair is bouncing back gradually. So I'm not in an oh my god situation. I think that I'm bouncing, bouncing gradually and surely. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, guys, please support us. Your likes, your comments, your subscribing is helping us to stay in business. And guys, if you are looking for our product, I'll put the website where you can get it. So you can go online and and get your butter, get your shampoo if you want to get the black soap shampoo. And if you want us to give you a hair oil mix, you can as well ask for it. Yeah, so well, I can see the results, and I think I like the results that I'm seeing, even though it's kind of orangey. I think I like it better than the white. What do you think, guys? What do you think? What do you think about this color? My husband was like, "Oh my God, you're now brown. You now look brownish. You now bruh." He was trying to speak some French. Yeah, so it's nice. It's beautiful. I like it. I love it. I think I'm going to keep doing henna treatment, and let's see with more application if it's going to darken the white color much more. Maybe it's going to make it more deeper than what it is right now. So I think I like it. I don't know. Do you use henna? Have you used henna before? Let me know your experience with henna. Please share. Let us know what you do. Do you mix it with indigo powder? And does it cover all your gray? Do you have any problem with it? Do you experience any dryness? Do you experience any shedding from the use of henna? Please do well to share with us. We are learning here, okay? Remember, we're learning. We're all here to learn. We're not perfect. All of us are learning, and you guys are my accountability partners. You keep me here. You make me to keep going. And next time, I'm going to show you a new tool that I got. This tool is for hair massage, massaging my hair. I'm massaging my hair with my fingers right now, but guys, I got one nice tool for massaging my hair. I have one that is plastic, like light green, and I got a new one that I think if you guys want, I'll be happy to put them on the website for you. It's very relaxing, guys. Massaging your scalp is a relaxing stage. Oh my god, it's very relaxing. If you've never tried it before, please try to massage your scalp as often as you can. It's very helpful. It's relaxing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you for sticking out here. Bye.